Hey guys, you're back with your boy Dunky for season 4, episode 10 and 11. 10 and 11 of 12 Monkeys. And I don't know the names of these episodes. It just says episode 10 and 11. Did I just say season? They've done the plague. That was messed up. That was messed up, man. Cass killed 7 billion people. Jesus Christ, mate. All right, let's go.
A cult operating by fierce religious devotion to the word of its prophet.
The
A woman
Witness.
from the future calls herself the Witness.
Oh, man.
The world's
It's
enemy,
turning into a
an
corpse,
infinite hell on
man.
earth, has finally given us an answer.
That was bullshit. The weapon was destroyed. That's bullshit, mate. All that build up for the weapon.
To save the past, the present, the future.
Man, I'm getting such
Is
goosebumps,
to
man.
erase James Cole.
Man, my light keeps flickering. 2037. Man, I get confused sometimes. 2037 or 2049. I get those two mixed up.
The plague starts with Leland Frost.
Haven't heard that name in a while.
Plague.
How long's Jonesy got left to live? That's a cool name, Project Splinter. I think someone comments called Project Splinter. Hey, Project Splinter, I see you. I'm always watching. Eh? What?
Oh, I'm not here to harm you. Mr.
I knew he wasn't.
Mr. Whitley cleared them all out.
Well, I didn't know.
Thought
I
crossed my mind.
thought he wasn't dead.
Sizable
But
facilities cover all the hiding places.
how long's he been there for? Could be 5 minutes. He could have been there for 10 years.
Smoke. Are you prepared for that? Sending men to their deaths.
Yes.
She's cold, man. She's cold.
To do nothing would be like killing her yourself.
I wish he was in it. I wish he was in it more.
Better than most.
He's pretty
Still,
cool, and I like
Come a
his
day when a single life of
mannerisms.
7 billion is one.
Far out, man. This is like everywhere. 2043. Wasn't there 2049? Wow, man, I get confused with the dates.
I had to recreate these, both from my memory and using my own DNA as a template. I never had a successful splinter until James Cole.
DNA.
Never knew
Oh, man.
until now.
I reverse engineered it.
There has to be another way, Jones.
That's it, Cass. You gotta.
This is not how it was supposed to end. There has to be another way.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But this is what we have. to
But I just
simulate.
murdered 7 billion people. I
Ah!
did not murder 7,000,000,001, not with. You've given everything to time.
Yeah.
You are owed.
Man, look at Cole. He's just defeated. He's just like, come on, Jennifer. Why are you being like? I thought Jennifer would be the most hopeful. What the hell? All because of this bitch. Like, what? What's her?
Time is now.
What's her memory that she wants to be forever? She doesn't have any good memories.
Tomorrow is now.
If I'm
Everything
getting it properly.
always will soon enough.
Her whole life has
Beginning of
been
the end
shit.
is over, and the sun will rise when we sail in our forest of red.
Is it sort of like the sun will always rise forever and it always set forever and always be day forever and always be night forever? Is it? It's going red everywhere, man. The whole world.
So that you end up here with the answer.
Come on, Jennifer. I want you to have hope. If Jennifer doesn't have hope, I don't have hope. Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn, Cass. Cass is thinking she can live in these moments forever. can't live in these moments forever. For good or ill, time has to go on, man, you know? Why is he wearing that? I was like, who the hell is this ninja? Oh. Or was that just to delay him a little bit? Future asshole.
Who are you?
I'm future asshole.
Take it all in. Greetings, asshole. I'm future asshole.
Look, is that exactly how it played out last time? I'm sure it is, but I want to see it again.
Halfway there. I'll tell you something I probably shouldn't. Probably screwing with all that causality bullshit Jones used to go on about.
Like, did this happen? I've got to go back, man.
There's a beginning, and there's an end. And all you and I are ever gonna have is what's in between.
In the end, that's all anyone has, beginning to end. All anyone has is what's in between. I've got to rewatch. I've got to go back and see this.
Miss Goins.
Nice
You are
boots,
on
Jen.
foreign soil, hunted, cornered, alone.
No.
Wait!
Oh my god, I can't believe that worked!
I still don't think Jen gets enough respect, man.
Which Cole are you?
She's the glue.
Last one I'm ever gonna be.
Jen's the glue, and Jones is the backbone, and bloody Cole and Cass are the hands. Cole and Cass are the arms.
I had your back in Prague. Thanks for making it easy on me.
Thank you. The primary code has given us the method to reset the timeline.
Yeah. We're running out
Chop
of time.
chop.
So let's get me in that thing. Erase me, whatever you gotta do.
Man.
And it would take 3.5 years for our systems to compile and assemble the entire code.
3.5
It will
years.
collapse in a matter of hours. Even if we could, we have no idea where or when Titan even is.
Huh? Well,
Personal.
and he can't just.
Speech in 12 hours. Till then, we got work to do.
What are you gonna do? He can't just shoot himself in the head, because that doesn't erase himself from time. That just ends his life.
There's no one left in 2163.
But maybe we
I
can.
don't really need these glasses, actually.
We can do this together.
Do what?
There's still time.
There's still time. In 12 hours, there's no time, if you know what I mean.
I've just never heard you say you have a plan.
I've had plans before.
You haven't had plans at all, Cole.
No.
Are you fucking serious or what?
If we do this, we need everyone. Friends, family.
Family, my brother. Now I've got to go back. Do you hear that at the time?
Come on, brother. It's all right.
Come on, brother. Come on, brother.
It's all right,
That's pretty fucking messed up, man. Whoa. Cass, settle down. We know you're fucking hardcore. Just let's not kill everyone just yet.
You said that I told you not to undo this.
Yeah, and I won't.
But you hadn't told me yet.
Once this is over, you have to go back. Die that night. What if we're going out? We're taking that bitch with us.
Fucking oath we are, mate.
I need you for that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
My boy. My boy.
Sakot, have you lost your goddamn mind?
Not him.
Sup, bro?
Cocoa Puffs?
We're going on the offensive.
Cocoa Puffs.
Sure you think.
In Australia, they're called Cocoa Pops.
She's his Grammy.
Miss Goins.
Spelling him in.
Yeah, get the cool car, man. I don't know what it is, but it looks awesome.
She's a beauty, isn't she?
She is.
You think... Somebody's reason to keep going.
My mum and dad. Oh, I hear it, mate. Hear it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Driving off into that. That is cool, man. What the hell, mate? Florida Keys. That's a...
It's beautiful.
I love that cliff. That's a beautiful cliff. I almost felt that, like that was in my hands.
This isn't enough.
Don't think like that, Cass. Don't think like that, Cass. It has to be enough.
You know why it's so beautiful? Because it sets.
She's going, you're right, but you're a prick for saying that. Is Cass on the same page? That sort of just demonstrated his point. Like, give me some of that stuff. I want some of this stuff. Oh, I was gonna say I'll take some of that stuff and I'll smash the witness, but that's not how it works. Yeah, you just get writing on the wall. Dude, that's always been like the coolest effect in the whole show has been that house.
Sorry to drop in on you unannounced.
Mate, that would drive her insane. Being so serious, and Jennifer's just like, yeah, fuck you, bitch.
Just a few little tweaks.
Oh, that'll piss Olivia off so much.
Looks like a little penis man. Is that because you're such a dick?
You're too late.
Am I?
Yeah, I think I'm right on time, bitch.
In the midst of the final
They have the weapon.
So they're bringing Titan to them. Alright, man, you good? Not really, man.
That was in the country and western.
I was gonna say go to the radio, but there's no radio. Need some Metallica. Enter Sandman. All it out to you. Yeah, man. Did I just drive straight in?
They are weak, vulnerable.
Nah, man. You're the one that I can't get enough of. Then I'll tell you something. This could be love because the time of my life. The 12 monkeys don't believe in cover, man. Yes, I swear. It's the truth. Come on, I want to see you smash into people, man. You.
Give me your hand, Louise. Oh, God.
All right, Thelma. Oh, no, they blew up before. I wanted to see him run some people over, but I'm happy. How far away are they? They're about like 400 meters, 350 meters away.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Are you fucking serious? Oh man, Olivia must be fucking spewing, mate. They're weak.
Mr. Cole, we are in.
Call me James.
Splinter Titan.
Send the beam up. What with that? That'll stop it from splintering.
What's happening?
I guess so.
Cannot splinter.
We'll head to the mainframe to finish the primary code.
They got the daughters. I hope the daughters have lots of ammo. Yeah. Come on, daughters. I hope you got enough ammo. See, they're taking cover. The 12 monkeys just stand out in the open and go, yeah, what's going on?
Take as many faithful as you can get. Destroy their machine. It's the only weapon they have. Go!
This is bloody Hitler in his final hours, yeah? You stupid bitch. And she's looking more and more like a corpse, mate. She was getting her veins and stuff. This is back when sky beams were cool, before Marvel fucked them up. 12 monkeys are idiots. If the 12 monkeys knew how to take cover, they would win. Come on. I'd be mowing them down easily. Come on, daughters. You're better fighters. They've just got numbers, yeah? Oh, shot into the face, mate. That'll do the job. Need a fair bit of foundation to fix up a shoddy blast. It's only like 50%. Oh, fuck off. Why are you smiling, you stupid bitch? Oh!
I come back to you now.
Oh, okay, that's where she came from. Yes. Oh, good. We need some Lord of the Rings in this bitch.
Radio egg. Copy that, chicken.
Chicken. That is so cute. That is so cute.
J.H. Bond coming. I'm rocking the time stream from AM to PM, from B to AD.
Go, Jen. Always makes me think of Breakfast Club. Ooh. Ramsey's going, what the fuck? What the fuck is this, man? They're just shooting corpses. You forget about me. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Fucking, I knew it, and I was fucking told. I was told no. People in the comments, hello, motherfucker, you got me. La 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 la. The spoiler was not a spoiler. You just dashed my hopes to bring them back again. 2043. Oh, that's... Oh, what the fuck is going on?
The daughters ever came this far east.
Tell my future.
Spoiler alert, Teddy. You don't have one.
What the...
So you know some things about me.
I thought there was maybe a mistake.
That looks the same.
It is the same.
No.
For Christ's sake, I'm too old for this shit. The part where we run.
Well, fucking duck or run or something. Oh, man. I thought there was maybe a mistake in the story.
A last chance for you and I to save the world.
Kiddo. Man, Jen's the best, man.
We're ride or die.
Ride or die, baby. The only person that's ever said they'll ride or die to me fucking betrayed me 2 weeks later.
Power station.
What?
Let's go, boys.
So he hasn't met them. Man, I've got to go back to see the first scenes with Deacon.
Got it.
We don't make it.
We need a backup plan.
The only thing Jennifer's not good at is running. And I think it's because she's wearing these big-ass boots all the time.
We'll be careful.
Dude, how long do you have? Like 5 minutes? What the fuck? Look at the storm, man. 5 minutes, that's what I thought. Whoa, man. They would be puffed. They would be puffed. Come on, Jen, you're not scared. Cass is there. Cass will fuck up anyone, man. Oh, Didn't she get shot? Oh, man. How strong is she? She picked up her whole body, man. Cass has more skill, though. She's so strong, though. This is like Final Fantasy VII in Midgar, yeah? Come on, Cass. Oh, man. Every 5 punches you land, Olivia's punches. Whoa, see how strong she is?
Yeah, we'll probably get killed.
Let's go.
Hey, Deacon's my puppy! Yeah! He's a fatalist, mate. I love him. I love him.
All I've done is witness.
Yeah, that's right. So why do you want the Red Forest, you dumb bitch? Oh, she got it twice. So we got West 7 and the daughters. Yeah, fuck her up, man. Bang! Fucking break her nose, man. Drop it, smack, headbutter. Oh, man. Holy shit, man. It's turning like everything into hell. Is she still alive? Is she still alive, man? Aim, aim. Go, Cass. Where's the timer? What are you doing, Cass? Don't fall for their propaganda bullshit, man. That was the longest 40 seconds I've ever seen.
Can you see it? It's nearly here.
Oh, it looks like Cass did break her nose. She's got blood there. If you got blood there, that means your nose is broken. Man, Olivia could just crack her neck like that, couldn't she? Oh. Ooh, what's all that squishing noise? Ooh. Yummy.
Shut it down.
Don't do this bullshit, Cass. Don't do this, man. This is the goal. You can't be selfish at this point, man. And that's what it is, selfish. You can't do it. I know. I understand. Come on. Your logic has to override your love.
I'm sorry.
What the hell, man? Making my fat cheeks wobble. Come on, you got like fucking 1 minute or something. Dude, what the hell? You've got like seconds, man. Man, how tall is this tower? It looks like it's tall, but it's only like 2 stories.
We can have forever.
Don't fucking talk like that bullshit, man.
We'll be together forever. Until we can't even remember what it feels like to find each other again.
That'd be hell, man.
Or we can have now. With an ending.
That's right, you need an ending, man.
Please.
The happy times can't last forever, just like the sad times don't last forever, man. Oh, fixed it up quick, smart. You. You did it, Jonesy. You did it. Oh, how Jennifer, the daughters, mate.
Titan is ours.
Yeah. See Cass close her eyes there. You did it, Cass. Cass, don't feel bad. Cass, don't feel bad. That was the right thing, Cass. You can see where she closed her eyes. She thinks she made a mistake. Oh, baby. What you doing? How you feeling? Hey? You need a Band-Aid? Need a Band-Aid? I wish he suffered for a bit longer.
I was a thing in a box.
I wish he was still alive, man. In a box. I wish he was alive in a box for a long, long time. Not for eternity, but for a long, long time.
Deacon.
He doesn't even, does he know it? He doesn't know it.
From TV.
Oh, okay. Deacon, my boy. I like this. I like this sort of stuff because
Still got it.
still got it.
So you shoot me.
I'm sorry. No, I'm apologizing.
I'm apologizing in advance. Man, I've got to see these scenes again. Oh, man. There'll be stuff on YouTube. I'll look it up on YouTube.
So this is my reward for all this shit. I get shot.
I know. I know.
Probably missing. I don't want to waste my goodbye on this you. I want to save it for the one that needs it.
So, do you know how fucking tough Ramsey is doing this shit, man? Accepting your fate for the greater good. The greater good. I relate a lot more to Ramsey and Deacon than even to Cole or Cass or Jonesy. Like, Ramsey and Deacon are sort of people that I sort of would associate with in real life. And people think they're not much, but when it comes to the crunch, they're a lot. Hell, mate. And then just got fucking shot. Ramsey's my fucking hardcore boy, man. Maybe even more than Deacon, because he knew he's gonna die. Like I knew Deacon did, but not for a while.
The actor does not say goodbye to her audience.
So she was gonna say, exit stage left. Give her more respect than that, man. Man, she needs more respect, Jennifer. She needs a bow in return. But not that sort of a bow. She needs a bow of fucking, like, Asian bow of respect. You go, Jen. You fucking go. Jen's fucking so cool.
We didn't get a lot of time.
You had no time, but every time.
We lived a lifetime together.
That's right. Yeah, I think in situations like that, the hug is will feel a lot better than the kiss, man. Like I tell you.
How about one more smoke?
One more smoke, one more drink for sure. Good work, Jonesy. Literally one more. We'll share it.
I don't think I've ever told you what you mean to me. I had 2 mothers. I'm glad that you're here with me.
She's smiling.
At the end.
God, man, what's this? Here we are at the end of all things. She is smiling. She's smiling. Sort of bittersweet and like, yeah, you succeed, but you know. So I put in coordinates that basically for erasure, yeah? All those tendrils going out everywhere. I don't know what that means. I was gonna say the different points of the space-time continuum leaving different points.
You know, I might be getting the hang of this.
No, that was a...
Was
that a
out of it today, like
boyfriend?
something I forgot. Probably just tired.
Man, I've gotta look some shit up on YouTube after this. She's got that something stuck in her brain.
I got nothing. There's no James Cole anywhere.
She knows the name. How?
And if there is a future, it's because of you.
She remembers.
Because of them.
She remembers. I'm
The family I love.
Scientific community asks why. Yeah, Jen. Go, Jen. Scientific community asks why. Fucking why not?
Most never met. Sons are fated to their fathers. And brothers.
Hey, my boy. And my girl.
We changed.
Hey, my boy.
For each other. For their children.
Hannah. I was thinking maybe Hannah if they showed a baby, but no, that's not gonna happen.
I'm happy saving one at a time.
Hey, go Cavs!
And at the end, see you soon.
Gotta stop crying. I got fucking tears falling on my hand. I mean, it's cold, you see. Is he in heaven? No. Is he on Arrakis? Except for the surf.
Well, it ain't heaven.
It's my girl.
Hiya, Otter Eyes.
Give her a hug, mate. She's the fucking king.
The right one.
It's the one you choose.
But sometimes it's the one someone else chooses for you. What use are the unwritten laws of the universe if you can't break at least one?
She's smiling, going, yeah.
Time knows.
She was just thinking, imagine he's surprised, motherfucker.
It owes you one.
And it owes you at least 3.
You were the best of all of us.
Yeah, yeah. She was the glue.
Tell her I said hi.
Arms of mine.
Where are you right now? Somewhere safe. Time passes. How it's meant to.
She was not expecting that. She was not expecting that.
All that matters is now.
Everyone watching this, if you're with your loved one right now, all that matters is now, okay? So turn to them and tell them you love them.
Ever. Now.
Happily ever now. It knows it did a fucking good job. That's why it came up like that at the end. The arms of mine. You made me think that Deacon wasn't coming back at all. Like, you dashed my hopes. Oh, man. Can't even explain it, but it was the right thing to do. But at the time, a few episodes ago, when I read that comment, I was like, oh, yeah, cool. But in the back, yeah, I was thinking like, man, you just spoiled it that Deacon's not coming back. And he bloody did come back. Oh, Deacon, man, I'm gonna look up on YouTube. Oh, man, there's so much to see. Like, I want to see when Deacon first appeared, because the first time we met Deacon, he knew the whole time that he basically saves the world with these 2 guys. Is that right? he basically knew the whole time as soon as he met them, like, I gotta toughen these boys up because I need them ready to save the world with me. That I've already done. No, I've got to look up video. But one thing with Cass, with when she went back to her time and she got in the car and looked back, and I don't know if it's exactly the same, but I can semi relate to that sort of feeling. Like she hadn't even met Cole then, but once it was just a dream. But I had this really good dream. This is like 20 years ago, but I still remember it. I met this girl and we fell in love, and it was great. It was true love, and we were so in love. And at the end of my dream, for some reason, we were on the back of a paddle steamer, a paddle boat, with this big thing going like this. Some reason we were hanging off the back of it. We weren't in danger. It was just a fun thing, but we were so in love. And then it caught, my dream paused, and credits started rolling. And then I woke up and I was so heartbroken. It wasn't like dreaming of an ex-lover or something like that, where you go, oh, I missed it. It was, I woke up and I felt so devastated because I was thinking, wow, that person that I just had that I'm in love with doesn't even exist. They were a figment of my imagination. Like I can barely even miss them because they never even existed. And I sort of think maybe that's something that Cass was thinking, sort of like, wow, I love this person, but they've been erased from time or whatever, but they don't exist. But he wasn't erased from time. But do you know what am I explaining it properly? I'm sure this has happened to many, many people before. Have you ever fallen in love with someone in a dream and woken up and gone, God damn it, that person doesn't even, God damn it, that person doesn't even exist. Oh man, and Deacon, and I still think, even though Cole said to Jennifer, you were the best of us. Was it working? Even though Cole said you were the best of us, I still don't think Jennifer gets the credit that she deserves. Like I said, Jones is sort of brains. Jennifer was the glue, man. Jennifer was the glue. Do I have to do a really long bloody epilogue? So I really want to go and look up some shit right now. Like, did they know what was gonna? Did the writers know what was going to happen at the very end when they put stuff in earlier seasons? Did they know already? Or were they just at the very end? They were just like, "Fuck, we got to do all this fucking crazy. We got to try to wrap all this shit up." No, it couldn't have been. Huge asshole. I've got a plan. Or what it takes there, and the apocalypse for you to come up with a plan. I wouldn't even barely trust Cole if he said, "I've got a plan." I'd say, "Are you sure you just don't want to wing it?" Seem to be going all right with you winging it. I like Jonesy's death scene too. I said, well, time for one last smoke. And she died. Look, I'm not sure if it was the angle or my imagination, but, but did that look to you like, she, she died with a smile on her face? That's how it looked to me, man. Oh, that's probably the best death you could hope for. She's hearing a relative saying how much she loves, how good she is. And she's just sort of like, and she died. And she died content, thinking she saved the world. That was probably the best death in the whole series, I reckon. Oh man, it makes me feel bad. Makes me feel bad just because my granny, I go and visit her every day. She's in a home. She's 99. And, pretty much just put music on for her. And she just lies there. And I just I stand behind her chair and just do like drops on her hair like that. Or pat her head because she finds it really nice. And she's just like, lies there and goes, like, oh. And it just sort of look like Jonesy, but that just made me sad. And Deacon, I like Deacon because when I said Deacon, oh, you're a good man. People don't know I try to be good. I do try. But sometimes I just get drawn towards trouble. I get drawn towards bad things. Sometimes if it's 3 a.m. and I go, I've got energy, I'm going to go down the road at 3 a.m. to the bad part of town because I know people down there will want to fight, and I'll go, yeah, well, may as well go down and have a fight. Ah, man. But I'll try to be good. I try to be good. I'm just not very good at it, like I can relate a lot. All right, guys, I've got to go. I'll go watch some shit on YouTube. I'll talk to you later. Peace out. Bye. You.